Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, this is about my plans for the new Manila International Airport project, to address the problem of overcapacity and ineffective airport in Manila. The SMC Corporation decided to build a new airport located at Bulacan, which is the new Manila International Airport. This project is under the private-public partnership. The mega project has a budget of 740 billion. For those who don't know, this airport is also the largest airport in the Philippines. The airport will have 4 terminals, 6 runways, and 12 taxiways, with Terminal 1 is largest terminal in NMIA because it will have the shape like Beijing Daxing International Airport, and also called the North Terminal. Terminal 2 is West Terminal with 5 wings leading to airplane. Terminal 3 is East Terminal with 6 wings leading to airplane, and Terminal 4 as South Terminal with both sides and bridgeway linking from both sides of Terminal 4. The new Manila International Airport will be also connected to NLEX via a spur expressway linking from NLEX Bocaue to SLEX via Skyway linking to and from NMIA via the Skyway stages 1, 2, and 3, to Philippine Arena via the same NLEX spur expressway to NMIA and via interchange near the NLEX terminus of NLEX spur expressway that links to the Philippine Arena and Ciudad de Victoria via Ciudad de Victoria Bypass Road to SCTEX and CAVITEX via a shoreline expressway that links R10 to SCTEX, and also it will have also linked to CAVITEX via the NLEX CAVITEX Port Expressway, to Bataan via a 6 to 9 pylon bridge called New Manila International Airport Balanga Bridge, to NLEX East via a spur expressway leading to NLEX East that ends at NLEX Balagtas Interchange and passes via the Plaridel Bypass Road, and to Rizal Province, an alternative route linking to SLEX via the same NLEX spur expressway, then crossing over the Cloverleaf Interchange leading into Northeast Metro Manila Expressway, then to Southeast Metro Manila Expressway. Aside from roads, there is also rail link and its stations located outside of NMIA complex, with NMIA SkyTrain, NMIA Subway, MRT Line 7, MRT Line 3, PNR NSCR, PNR HSR and more train lines as its train lines linking to and from NMIA Railway Station. The energy used in New Manila International Airport will be renewable because it will have a 200 megawatts solar farm located within the NMIA complex. Its NMIA control tower will be inspired by Sampaguita Flower and Berlin TV Tower of Germany, with a height of over 300 meters, which will be the world's tallest control tower, and it will be reinvented what a control tower should be. Because aside from ATC operations, it will be also a tourist sites with 3 floors of observation deck and 2 floors of restaurant and cafe. Aside from control tower, it will have also a entertainment and retail complex like Jewel Changi with 10 floors above ground and 5 floors below ground, with tallest indoor waterfall in the world, SkyTrain passing through waterfall, airport, hotel, and on top floor, there will be both adult and child playground with slides, playing nets, and trampolines. Aside from this, there will be also IKEA New Manila International Airport branch beside the Terminal 2 that will cater to those transiting passengers, Bulacanos, and airport passengers shopping for IKEA furnitures that is local or imported from other countries, and also high quality and affordable. And also there will be New Manila International Airport Convention Center where it will host numerous events of NMIA, and also, there will be function rooms and party rooms. And aside from this, the New Manila International Airport will have a Aerotropolis outside and inside of NMIA complex featuring seaports, residential areas featuring Singapore-like condominiums, institution areas, technology areas, commercial areas, industrial areas, tourism areas, and education areas featuring universities and tall schools. If airport and aerotropolis is completed, this would create more job opportunities, boost economy and businesses, and decongest other airports in Manila area. Aside from this, it would be the busiest airport in the world, tied with Istanbul Airport in Turkey, and the best airport in the world, tied with Singapore Changi Airport and Doha Hamad Airport. What will you say about this new Manila International Airport project? Would you think it will be the busiest or best airport in the world? Comment down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below for more build infrastructures, plans, updates, and news around the world.